In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform your cluttered thoughts and messy digital scraps into an impeccably organized system using the powerful combination of Claude and Notion. We have all been there where our notes are scattered across random apps or written in a stream of consciousness that makes no sense later on. Fortunately, you can now automate the cleanup process entirely. To get started, open your Claude chat and look for the plus icon located right in the chat bar. You need to ensure that the Notion integration is turned on, which allows these two powerful tools to communicate directly with one another. Once that connection is established, you are ready to use a specific prompt that does the heavy lifting for you. Simply paste your unorganized text into the chat and tell Claude to clean up and organize these notes into your specific Notion inbox database. You should clearly state the name of your note so the AI knows exactly where to place the information. In your prompt, ask Claude to fix any typos, apply professional formatting with bold headers and bullet points, and most importantly, extract the key takeaways so you do not have to hunt for the main points later. Once you hit enter, Claude will process the data and sync it directly to your workspace. This method saves you hours of manual editing and ensures that your second brain stays tidy without any extra effort on your part. It is the perfect workflow for students, researchers, or busy professionals who need to stay productive. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful for streamlining your digital life and making your notes much more actionable. If you enjoyed these tips on using artificial intelligence to boost your productivity, please consider subscribing for more guides on modern workflows. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.